in-depth review process. This model is one of the best rated product in the market today. First, let's see the specs of the product.
Tired of feeling cold from using old space heaters that just don't work? This winter, stay warm with the Indoor Portable Space Heater by Trustech. Light, portable, and functional, Trustech Space Heater is the perfect solution to keep your bedroom, living room, or any space indoors warm. For your convenience, the space heater comes equipped with LED display and remote control, so you can enjoy the comfort of a warm home right from your couch. Trustech Space Heater comes with a programmable thermostat, so you can adjust the temperature to your needs. It is also equipped with a timer function, which can be adjusted from 0 to 12 hours to save you money on your electric bill. Our safety features include tip-over shutoff and overheat shutoff for your peace of mind. Stop freezing in your home and stay warm with the energy-saving portable space heater by Trustech.
Why we recommend this product? And these are rating for this product.